Alright, today it's probably about 22 degrees out right now. I'm going to take my 4Runner and I'm going to jump start my Explorer that's in storage. Me being a dum-dum, I left the battery in and the battery went dead, so gotta pop the hood. And one time when it was cold and I tried to jump it, I really had no luck. So hopefully this time I have some better luck, but we'll see. Got a 3.4 liter in the 4Runner, trying to jumpstart the 4 liter in the Explorer. I think it'll be good enough. Got my girlfriend here to mess with the gas, so. And I figured at Walmart, since I had bought a $19 roadside kit, I'm going to try out the new jumper cables. Which are barely long enough. You got to pull it forward a little bit. These things are not long. Yep, stop. Actually, a little bit closer. Alright. Alright, jumpers are connected. And since this thing is going to be sitting for a little while, I bought some stable to put in the gas. So, well, we got lights. That's a start. It doesn't really tell you how much to do, I guess. Well, it says 1 ounce treats 2.5 gallons, so I'm probably gonna need a lot. This is the first time I actually used this. I don't think it's going to make a difference with the fuel, but for those of you who have stored a vehicle for over the winter time period or 6 months, 8 months, probably use this. I only drive this thing on the weekends usually, but it's been so nasty I don't feel like driving this and getting it nasty. This is my summer 4x4. Okay. So this should probably do me. Alright. Put the stable in. I guess it's supposed to keep fuel fresh and ready to go for 12 months, so well, I usually do more than enough, but since the fuel gauge is stuck on this, I don't really know how much gas I got anyway. It's a nice little project vehicle though. I mean, it's a 5-speed. It's a push button 4-wheel drive with mile marker lockouts, and it's a 4-door. Oops. Okay. Might not happen today. The thing about this Ford is that it never wants to start when it's real cold like this. I got to do it last weekend, and I don't think I'm gonna have any luck. Which blows. Probably have better luck push starting it. I had better luck when she jumped me with her Lumina. Okay, so... But it was warmer then. It was like 30 degrees. Come on. Just gonna have to play with this a little bit. Okay. All right, this blows. Alright. Well, that was an unsuccessful jump start.